Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on INFINIX Note 30 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, and now you have to click on search bar, and now you have to search for Wally AI and click search, and now click install. And click open. Here you can skip this introduction, and now click open permissions, and you have to find AI assistant in this list and click here, and now click back and click start. And as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.